Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Edge is equipped with memory power seats and they are not working. This video will apply to Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2020. If you have a 2021, the fuse location will be a bit different. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now the fuse you want to check, it's in a small fuse box which is under the steering wheel. So the best way to access it is through this opening. So just pull this cover towards yourself and the fuse box is all the way in. I'll try to zoom in and turn on the flash on my phone so you can see it there. So to be honest, it's not the easiest to access. You can either squeeze your hand through here or you can try to do it through down here. You can see my hand, right? Okay, and the fuse you want to check for memory seats, it's a fuse number 2, which is the second fuse up here on the right side. I hope you can see my screwdriver, and this is the one you want to check for the memory seats. If this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You want to check the memory seats switch and you want to check the wiring. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.